Hey, what's going on? My name is Ricky Figueroa. This video is going to be easy, straight to the point. I don't recommend this way to make money with affiliate marketing, but it's a easy way to make some cash, especially if you don't have money for traffic or anything like that, like tools and things that you need. Basically, it's gonna be free traffic, free direct linking, the money could be made, but it's gonna be kind of slow because you are doing this manually. And but hey, you could make some cash. I recommend not to do this on Facebook because Facebook will block your links. Like I said, I don't recommend this, but you could try it on your own. It's up to you if you want to make some cash. It's quick cash, and so you could start, saving some money to get make some money affiliate marketing. But here we go. So basically, you are going to let me explain you what affiliate marketing is first, for you, just in case you're watching this video for the first time. Affiliate marketing, um, you are the person in charge of sending people to an offer. Let's say in this example, I'm in offerbolt.com. So this website has a bunch of different offers. Or if you want to search any offer, what traffic network has that offer, you just come to OfferBolt. You type the offer here. Let's say car loans, and then enter. You will see a bunch of different offers, and then also you will see who the network is. You can see under here it says network, category, type, CPA, the payout $9.60. That means when someone applies to this offer, let's go and see it. When someone sign up and get your free no obligation quote, blah blah blah. Offer details are going to be inside the network, but basically when people submit this right here, like 2-page form maybe, you get paid $9.60. That's how easy this is with affiliate marketing and CPA, because you're not involved with actually the transaction. You don't deal with credit cards. You don't deal with customer service. You don't deal with none of that stuff. Your job is to drive traffic to the offer and hopefully get a conversion. So your job as a marketer is just to focus on traffic and conversions. That's it. And it's okay. So how could you do this? Then you're gonna ask, hey Ricky, just show me how to do this. This you can do it in any other social media, Twitter or freaking Snapchat or whatever. I picked an offer. Let's say you wanna like actors and people that wanna be involved with acting and things like that. Let me see if I can find something quick. Dating, freebie, mobile, maybe auditions. There's two right here. There's one for all casting, acting auditions. You get paid only 85 cents, but hey, it's better than no money. Um, just to keep this video short, I'm doing this for auditions, but just feel free to play with this search bar and do your own thing. And here, this is where you can find the offer. You just join the network, hopefully get approved, and then once you get the link from them, just paste you come to Twitter. In this example, I'm using Twitter. You come to Twitter and say who's looking for an acting job, and this in the search bar. I put I want to be an actor, hashtag actor, and look, when I press the search, all these people came up. So now all you have to do is just say, I want a life. This guy says, I want a life in a simple that success. I want to be successful as an actor. Hey, then guess what? You're going to reply to this guy and say, hey, I notice you want to be an actor. Here is how to start. And then just place your affiliate link. here, and that's it. Then you send the message, and hopefully if this person click on that link or tap on that link, because most of the time he's on his phone, um you get paid that 85 cents in this example. Maybe it could be $3, it could be $5, it could be that auto loan, car loan offer, man, you get paid $10 and so on. So this is how you make money with affiliate marketing using Twitter in a free way, in which I don't recommend. But if you don't have money for the paid ads, you could start this way and just hustle up and make some cash. So that's the video for now, how to make money affiliate marketing using Twitter for free, no money involved. And that's it. Drop your comment below. Let me know if you like the video, you hate it, or anything. Just make sure before you hate or comment, and give me a good comment. uh, Subscribe to my channel, like the video, even if I know it's not a paid traffic, but I'm telling you, people are doing this manually, and I'm making money, maybe $200, $300 a month, $100. Something that you make an extra a month will be nice. And like I said, you could do this with Twitter. You can do this in Instagram. And with Instagram, you need a different domain, but I'm gonna show you that in a different video. Snapchat, you name it. Craigslist is a big one. Also, I have done that in ClickBank, using Craigslist, and it's easy, easy, easy money. So I'm gonna keep pumping videos about this. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.